Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the spoken notifications on the QLD Traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the screen. And in the travel mode section, you can find the first option, the spoken notifications. And if you want to disable, just click to the next blue circle. And new, the spoken notifications is disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.